Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Y'all, I have a really nice unboxing of a couple of items I got from the RealReal. This is my new addiction apparently, thanks Ed Braun. He turned me on to the RealReal recently and I've been shopping on there relentlessly. They actually have an app you can download for your iPhone, so check that out. I love to kill time and just look through all of the items they have there for sale, and they do have some really good ones on sale, so check out the RealReal. Y'all, the two items I have is gonna be a Prada bag. It's a nylon bag and it's really cute in a green color, so I'm really excited to see the quality of it. And the other one is a little clutch from Marc Jacobs. It's kind of like a graffiti style and it is vintage. So we'll both see those, but before I show you those, I wanna say thanks to all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate y'all for coming back and watching my content. Now, if you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, y'all please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know next time I have a video. Now, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social medias, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images of everything I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, y'all check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there as well. And y'all, with that out of the way, if everybody could just take a moment to stop and give this video a thumbs up, I do appreciate the likes. With that being said, let's go ahead and unbox these items. Let's do the clutch first. It came in a box like this, and let me just open it up here. All right, and let's see what we've got in the box here. So I'm excited to see these items. It's fun to get little things like this, and they were very inexpensive. I'll tell you the price of everything. Okay, so this is the little clutch. As you can see, it came in a dust bag actually, so that's really nice that it actually came in an original dust bag, okay? And it of course says Marc Jacobs on it there. It's a nice soft cloth dust bag. But if you watch my channel for very long, you know how we feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag. All right, y'all, and here it is. Very cute. Show it to you here. So this is a vintage clutch from Marc Jacobs, and I just thought it was really cute. I love the graffiti look to it, and it just kind of, I don't know, it just looks kind of worn, and I like that. It may have actually looked different than this when it was new, but I actually like the worn look to it. So of course I'm gonna clean the clutch up and clean these items up a little bit after I've looked them over and everything, but it's nice. It looks like it has a leather little wristlet on there. The hardware is nice on it. I'll show you some close-ups in a moment, but I'm just going over the item myself. The back of it, look, the Marc Jacobs is written on there, and it's a denim bag, so really, really nice. I love that it has the little mark there on it and the embroidery there, so that's nice. So super cute little item. I just thought I could use this to put small things in to put in my other bags. So let me show you up close a little bit more, and then we'll go in a little bit closer and I'll show you some more details. So I just think it's super cute, y'all. And then you got like a little spot here you could put your ID in with a little clear area. Really, really nice. Okay, let me show you some close-ups of this and then we're gonna open the other one. All right, y'all, let's go over some closer details of this little Marc Jacobs clutch. I've gone over it with a fine-tooth comb just to see if there's any like super bad damage. Not too bad. I've seen a little bit of cracking around the wristlet, I'll show you, and a little bit of hardware wear, and I'll show you that as well. But let me just show you up close. I'll start with the zipper pull here. So really nice, chunky little zipper on it with Marc Jacobs on it. The zipper is nice. It does have a little bit of wearing on the pull there, but not too bad. I might try to clean that up with some Brasso. And then there's your zipper there. On the front side here, you've got this little leather trimmed area with a plastic area to put like an ID or something in, but you can put whatever you want to in there. On this side here, you have a small little pouch. And as you can see, the zipper on it, it's got a little bit of wear on it too. So kind of worn off, especially on the back side of it, if you can see that. But the zipper's nice, and the inside of it is lined with this real pretty lining. So it's lined there on your little pocket, if you can see on the inside there. So a little place to put some little coins or small things in. Maybe some AirPods would fit in there. That would be a nice spot for those. Let's move to the back side here. Now it is trimmed in leather across the top there, as you can see, and it goes all the way around the top. And the leather is in pretty good shape here, so that's really nice. So that is the back side of it there, and I love the Marc Jacobs on the back side of it, like I said earlier. All right, and then there is that. The wristlet on it, let me just show you. This is the little wristlet here, and everything looks pretty good on it. It does have a little tiny bit of some cracking up at the top right here, if you can see that, but nothing terrible, and it's in pretty good shape. So really, really nice, cute little item from Marc Jacobs. So I think it's in really, really good shape. Let me show you the inside of it. Like I said, the zipper works really well. The inside is lined. Oh, and we have a little thing from the RealReal here. little tag that they did. I guess that's like a little receipt. But the lining is really cute, y'all. Look at that lining on the inside. It's got a nice little print, and then it does have some logoing details in there, trimmed in leather. And of course that little plaque, you can tell it's had some wear on it and wearing off a little bit, but I'm gonna try to clean all that up. So I enjoy doing that. So that is the first little item here, this little clutch from Marc Jacobs, little denim vintage clutch. So I'm happy with my purchase, and y'all, let's move on to the next one. All right, y'all saw the clutch. Let's open up the other box here and see what else I have here. It came in a little bit bigger of a box. This is a pretty big little box here. Big little, doesn't make sense, does it? But let me get it open here and we'll see what we've got. All right, so let's open up this box here and see what's inside. Okay, there's one side of it. All right, y'all, let's see what we've got in this box here. It looks like we've got a RealReal dust bag. Let me set that down here. All right, yes, so this one is the Prada bag. It's in the RealReal dust bag there, as you can see. Let's see what we've got here. All right, y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. This is a real dust bag. All right, y'all, so here is the bag. Let's see what we've got here. This one I wasn't too sure about. I just thought it might be a really nice tote. So, like I said, it's Prada and it's nylon. It's got some leather trim on it. So let me fluff it out a little bit and I'm gonna show you some details and we'll do a 360 of it. But it's really cute and kind of big, so. All right, y'all, here is the bag. I've stuffed it a little bit so that we could see the shape a little bit better, but it's really big. I like this style tote. It is a tessuto bag from Prada. Like I said, it's made out of nylon in the middle, and then you have these leather accents on the corners. So this is the 360 of the bag, and then we're gonna go over some details. I love the handles on it. The leather and everything on it is in really good shape. So let me show you. That's the front. Here's the sides of it. So yeah, really nice, soft, kind of like almost like a parachute material, if you know what I mean. All right, and there's the back side of it. Same thing on this side, and then the bottom has the leather on it as well. So the leather and everything's in really good shape. Of course, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Some of the hardware needs to be cleaned up and polished a little bit, but not bad. So that's the 360 of it. Let me show you some close-up details on it. All right, y'all, moving in a little bit closer on this tote from Prada. Let me show you how it looks up close. You can see the details on the leather there, and it's in really good shape as far as I can tell. I'm really happy with this one too. This one was about, you know, $140, I think, from the RealReal. Leather accent here, a little clasp there, and then you have another leather piece here. Let me show you the handles. It's got like some little chain-like links here that connect the handles, and they're very nice, and the leather on these are really, really good too. They're in good shape. So not a whole lot of wear and tear on this bag for a Prada bag. Let me show you the side of it up close. The top part of it is trimmed in leather all the way around, so that's nice. You have a D-ring here on the side here, another D-ring, so that'll be nice to put a bag charm on. And then you have, of course, your little rivets and everything with Prada on it, okay? There's not a whole lot of corner wear on these either, and it does have feet, which I'm really happy about. So there's the corners, and then there is the little feet. The bottom of it, as you can see, is in pretty good condition too. The other corners, and then there's your opposite side there. It does have the Prada logo there with leather trim on it on the other side. So that's the other side of the bag. 2 D-rings on that side too. And then on the back side of it, same thing as the front. You have the 2 leather pieces there and the little chain pieces that go onto your handle. And the handle is in good shape as well. So that is the outside of it. This is how the top of it looks. It just folds over and then connects in the front. So that is the outside of it. Let's move on the inside. I'm gonna show you the inside. All right, y'all, moving to the inside, you just use this clasp here and it will open right up. Just like that, and then it just unfolds and you have this huge opening here that you can store stuff in, okay? Let me get into it a little bit. So on the back side of it, on the top flap here, of course, it is lined with leather there on top. The leather's in really good shape, and then it goes down to this zipper pocket here, which I love. The zipper is got a little bit of something on it. I'm gonna have to clean that off, but it's nothing that can't come off, I don't think. The zipper is very nice on it, and you have the leather little trim pieces on the ends. Your Prada logo is in leather there, so very nice on that. So that is it. And then of course the lining, y'all, look how beautiful that is with the Prada signature lining in there and that parachute silky nylon material. All right, y'all, let me show you the other side here. So here is the other side here, same thing, lined in that leather. And then underneath that, you're gonna have 2 little pockets here, little pocket other areas that are leather, and you can store stuff in there too. So some little storage areas there as well. But otherwise, the inside of it is just this real big pocket, and it has the beautiful Prada material in there with your logos and all on it. And of course, it did come with the tag too, the little RealReal tag on the inside of that too. So just a really nice tote, and I think I'm gonna enjoy carrying stuff in here. I like the way it looks, and it's a really big tote. Let me open up this zipper pocket and see how it looks on the inside. Nice zipper. Okay, and then I have some Prada little care card in there that they left for me. Thanks, I appreciate that. And the inside, it's of course lined with the Prada lining as well there. So really, really nice. So I'm really happy with this bag as well. And of course I'll post prices and everything. If you watch, you'll see the prices of these bags. All right, and this tote did come with a strap here. Here's the strap here, y'all. It's not really long, but it's long enough for a shoulder strap. And let me show you. You have these connectors here, and it has the Prada logos on that, if you can see that on both of them. So nice little detailing. The leather, like I said, is the same leather that has all over the bag. Really nice feeling, and it's in really good shape. And then you have a buckle that's adjustable there. So it also has a tiny keeper, one little keeper there. So a nice little strap to go on the sides of it. Then of course I'm just gonna attach the strap here at the top with the little D-rings, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on, okay? One D-ring there, and then your other one here. Just snaps on. Everything works good on the bag, so I'm really happy with it. All right, so there is the strap on the bag, so you can wear it over the shoulder, which I probably will be doing because I probably carry a lot of stuff and it's gonna be heavy. So that is it with the strap. Let me show you what it looks like on. All right, y'all, here is the Prada tote. I'm loving it, and I love the green color. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Let me show you the strap on here. It is a shoulder strap, so not real long, but really nice for over the shoulder carry, and it's comfortable. So it's gonna be really nice to carry everything in. All right, let me see if it does. Let me see if it works crossbody. Crossbody, yeah, it's not gonna be long enough for me. That's how it looks on me crossbody. So definitely be wearing it either shoulder or top handle for me. So, you know, I do love a top handle, but it's really nice and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, so that's my second purchase from the RealReal. Let's see how it does over my shoulder. A little bit tight over my shoulder. So yeah, y'all, I'm really happy with this. Just another cute little bag to add to my designer collection. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments, okay? So another item I'm really, really happy with from the RealReal. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on these nice little RealReal finds. Y'all definitely check out the RealReal. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And please take time to give my video a like. It does help, and I appreciate each and every thumbs up. I'll see everybody on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.